Big news. Some of you guys may or may not know that me and 3 of my friends host local drift events. It's called Battleborn Motorsports. We're up here in northern Nevada. Last year we finally were able to get a venue here in northern Nevada out at Reno Fernley Raceway. So the big news is right now I'm headed over to sign the paperwork for a new venue. So this is going to be very beneficial to the area because we're going to be able to host events more frequently. The asphalt condition is really nice. It's mainly concrete actually, but so tires are going to last a lot longer. So we're excited about that, and then we're going to be able to bring a lower price point, which is beneficial because it gets everybody more seat time, and we want everybody to grow as drivers. We got some exciting things in the works. Mainly, we might do some like grassroots level competition style stuff. So, all right, well, we'll see you at the new venue. What's up, dog? Yes. Sweet porno stash. Huh? I said sweet porno stash.
Is that what it is?
I don't know. Or you don't want to be the other one.
Yeah.
Alright.
I almost that's with the.
You probably should have wore a suit and tie the way you look.
I know, right? I was like, they can still see it out the back.
All right, so we just went in and signed the paperwork, so we're gonna kind of walk the grounds and kind of show you guys what it looks like. So there's a lot of configurations that we can do on this skid pad, so it's nice and big. So, but man, look at that. Look how big that is. That's massive. So it's gonna be a good skid pad. So I don't know, I don't really have much more to talk about, so I think this might be the end of the virtual tour. I mean, we haven't kind of set the ground rules for the course yet, but we'll see. We'll have that dialed in by the time you see this video anyway. So all right, so we're prepping to go to Utah. So basically I'm gonna pack some stuff up, load up the tires, those types of things. What do we gotta do? We gotta probably bolt down the shifter cover or whatever, transmission tunnel cover, and then I'm waiting on some wheel spacers to come so I can throw those on so we can get a little more clearance. It's rubbing on the inside, so but we're waiting for that to come on the mail. That's on its way here, so hopefully that'll be here soon so we can knock that out real quick, and then we can get this car loaded up on the trailer. So all right, so the wheel spacers just got here a little bit ago, and I'm gonna throw them on real quick. I might need to roll the fenders out a little bit. I got a fender roller, so we'll see if we have any clearance issues. So all right, so you can kind of see right here and on the lower control arm and over here is rubbing. So it might even be rubbing there, which is no good, but hopefully this wheel spacer will kind of correct that issue. So all right, so we checked the clearance, and we're gonna have to cut about some of this section out of there, and then we're probably gonna have to roll this and try to pull it out. All right, so we finished putting the spacers on. Me and Leo, he's out there getting the trailer ready. He's pulling out the ramps and all that. So we put the spacers on there, and then we rolled the crap out of the fenders. we're gonna load it up on the trailer real quick and get ready to get out of here. So, all loaded up. We can go in, hang out for a little bit, and then we're gonna hit the road. So, all right. So, I think last night we got into Elko around 3 o'clock. Got a hotel room and stayed the night. And we're back on the road again, 7 o'clock in the morning. Pretty much past the halfway point. So, about 3 hours we should be in Thule. So, alright, just keeping you guys updated. Alright, well, we finally made it. We thought we were late, but apparently we're pretty early. It's pretty typical for me. I rush to get here, and then I stand around and wait. But, so let's walk around and see what's going on here. It looks like they're setting up. They haven't got tech set up or anything yet, so yeah. So yeah, we finally got our parking spot and setting up. Like I said, we're like the third person here, and this place is pretty sick. There's a lot of amenities here, so a lot of cool stuff. So we'll show you around maybe later or whatever, but it's probably the nicest track I've ever been to. Drifting at anyways. So, but all right, get the car unloaded and maybe set up a little bit. had a little bit of a fuel issue. Tightened up some lines, AN lines, there's bulkhead fitting back on the back of the fuel pump. So we're gonna go test it. We're having fuel cutting issues. So, and I thought it was the amount of fuel in the tank, and I was getting some sloshing issues, but that seems to not be the case. Because we put like, it only took like 2 gallons to fill it up. So go test this. It is now.
Yeah.
Oh, all right, back to the drawing board.
Thanks for riding anyways, that was sick.
Oh yeah, no problem.
I could hear it stutter.